So you're going on vacation soon. Now you want to save money while on vacation. Well, this video, I'm going to be talking about different tips for you to save money on your vacation. Coming up next. Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in again today. So let's go ahead and talk about how to save money while on vacation. So the best way to save money while on vacation is to do your planning and your studying ahead of time. So what you want to do is you want to look at all the touristy areas and get your feet wet there. So the main thing is look for free things to do in the local area. Look for free activities. So for instance, if you're going to San Francisco, Pier 39 is a good place to start with. Usually the pier has different places to enjoy. You could also enjoy the great city views, the Golden State Bridge. There's different things you do for free. So let's say you want to go to a sporting event now. Now, sporting events can get a little costly on the ticket prices. But if you look at websites like Craigslist, offer up, a lot of season holders don't make it to all the games. So they'll actually let some of the tickets go for a really cheap price. So you definitely want to take advantage of that as well. Instead of you paying $100 for midsection, you might be paying $100 for up front row. Another great saving tip while on vacation is if you're staying at an Airbnb, you could do your own cooking at your location. Now, you could go to a local food market, stock up on food, and make food at home. You have food breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So this way, you're not really tempted to go out to eat too much and you're still saving money at home. I know what you're saying. Since you're out in a new city or you're out and about, you want to try the local foods. Now, I want to say do your research before you go out traveling different places. Now, I know we've seen a lot of restaurants on TV, diners getting flipped upside down, and all this stuff, and they're talking really about the food. Now, don't go in there blindsided. Do the reviews on them, because you don't want to go to a restaurant that's overpriced, and when you get there, the food's really bland. It's not up to your expectation or what you're expecting. So definitely do your research at any restaurant you're going to go out to eat in a different city. Another great tip is, since you already talked about free sightseeing locations, what about free activities, free shows? There's a lot of things a lot of big cities have that are usually free just to get people in there. Now, if you're going to the city of LA, a lot of the filming, so let's say you're going to LA, a lot of filming studios will offer free tickets. Now, that's a big plus. Most of the times, if you go to Santa Monica Pier, there's a lot of things to do there. Now, on the pier, they usually give away free show tickets as well. So that's a good plus. If you're definitely going to the city of LA, see a free show. Since I brought up the city of LA, I do want to touch on this. Now, let's say you're on vacation in LA. There is an opportunity for you to actually make money while on vacation and getting a cool experience. Now, it's something that's called being an extra. Now, a lot of times, they'll hire extras. They'll pay anywhere from $10, $15 to $50, $75 a day, depending on what the extra needs. Now, you might be there for an hour or two, but the chances you running into celebrities, famous people, and plus you'll probably be in a movie or a show and while you're on vacation. So that's pretty much what I got for you today. Go ahead and hit that like button, share, subscribe, keep saving money.